Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Mrs. Sobia Sohail is here. Exercise 6.3 I have started now, class 9. We have to find out the square root by the division method. Okay, so in this video I will explain about that. Before finding out the square root by the division method, let me explain about the division method. That in the division, when you are dividing two numbers, okay, let me explain it over here. When you are dividing any number, okay, by a divisor, like it is 2 and the number you are taking, 2 threes are 6, 0. So it means that this is your dividend. It is divided into two factors. These two are the corresponding factor of this number. Means 6 is equal to 2 times 3. 6 is divided into two factors. Okay. In the division, you are getting the two factor which are multiplied back to give you this number. Okay. But in square root, what happened that suppose this number is being divided, it's a square number. I have selected a square number. So 3 threes are 9. So this number also divided by the number and you are obtaining the two factor. Okay. So 9 is equal to the product of its divisor and quotient. This is the division and this is the division to take the same factor. Okay, in this division you are obtaining the different factor. In this type of the division, if you want to obtain the same, exactly same factor, so this will be called as the square root of that one number. Solving it with one digit and one digit may be exactly same, but when we are going more than one digit, then the division method and the square root method is a little bit different from each other. Okay, a few steps are same, but we have to focus that in the division method, here and here the numbers can be different, but in the square root, when we are taking the square root by the division method, so number here and the number here must be same to each other, whether it's a single number or whether it's a complete polynomial here and complete polynomial here, they must be same to each other. So let's continue our question, which I have taken from the question number 2, part 1. I'm writing directly inside that one. But before writing the question, again, I'm telling you that you have to check the order of the variable. Check the order of variable. It must be in the proper order form. So the question number 1 part, I'm writing inside 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square plus 16x plus 24y and plus 16. Okay, after that one, what we have to do, I'm making a working column over here for making a clear working for every step. We have to take our first term. Let me take some color markers. First term is this one, 4x square. It's very light. 4x square. It must be exactly equal to the two same factors. So 4 equals to 2 times 2 and x square can be divided in x into x. So this one factor we will write in the divisor place. This one factor we will write at the quotient place. Okay. So we have divided this into 2x and 2x. And these two are multiplied back to give this one. So our first step is done. After subtraction, we are taking 0, cancel them. Bring the other two factors now. Okay. Now again, this one we will take, but before taking this one, first we need to add them. Add this to this and write over here as the first term. 2x plus 2x add as 4x. Okay. Now, just like the division, as I have explained in the division of polynomials also, divide first term by the first term. Okay, divide this first term by the first term, this by this over here. Divide first term by first term, like 12xy divide by 4x. So x cancel, 4 3s are 12, and y. So this we will write over here in the top also plus 3y, and here for the divisor portion also plus 3y. After this one, this plus 3y, once we have taken this factor, this will be multiplied to the complete divisor. Okay, and then we will find out the answer. 4 3s are 12 xy plus 3 3s are 9 y square. Write down over here 12 xy plus 9 y square, and subtract, cancel, and this also cancel. Bring the next digits down. 16x plus 24xy plus 16. Okay, again what we have to do, we will divide first term, but before that one we will bring the first term also. First term will be kept as it is, 4x, and now this and this term will be added together. This first, like this and this added together to give you the first term. Now this newly made second and second term added together to give you the second term of the divisor. 3y plus 3y will become 6y. Okay, now after adding this one, you will think about the third term. Okay, so third term you will obtain by dividing first term by first term. I think that when you are doing for the first time, it's becoming little tricky for you, but when you have done enough practice of this one, you will like this method and you love to do this one. So first term divide by first term, 16x divide by the term of divisor 4x. X cancel, 16 divided by 4, 4 answer. Write down this as the third term of here and third term of here. Okay, and then multiply this third term, means multiply this with complete made divisor. That is 4x plus 6y plus 4. So this is equals to 16x plus 4 6 are 24 y plus 4 4 is 16. I think when I write bring this term down, I write this extra x. Yeah, that is okay now. 16x plus 24y plus 16. Now subtract, cancel, cancel, cancel. And answer is 0. And in this way, this answer which you obtain is the square root of the given expression, this one. Okay. So in the last, how you can write this answer as? You can write this answer as that the given expression 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square plus 16x plus 24y plus 16. Square root of this is equals to plus minus the given answer, that is 2x plus 3y plus 4. Okay, so this is our question. Now we will write this. We will find out the square root of this question or this polynomial. From the start again, write down in the under the square root sign, big square root sign. Now, first step, take the first term and take the first term and divide the first term into two equal factors like x square and x square. Write down first factor as divisor, second as quotient. Now multiply these two to get the same factor. Subtract, they are cancelling. Bring the other factor down. Okay. Now what we will do that we will add these two factors. We will add them and bring it like the first term of the divisor. x square plus x square add to give you 2x square. Now we will think about the second term of here. Second term we will obtain by dividing the first term by this first term. So let's divide minus 10x square divided by 2x square. So we are obtaining that one is, sorry, I write square, it's in fact the cube, minus 5x. Okay, this is the next term over here, next term we will write over here. And now multiply minus 5x with the complete established divisor. Okay, minus 5 2s are 10, x cube minus minus plus 5 5s are 25, x times x, x square. Write down this here. And better to bring the two terms down here. In the second step, bring two terms down. In the third step, you must have three terms. Okay, every one step is increasing the number of terms which you are dealing with. So now subtract them, opposite sign. This will be cancelled. 37 minus 25 will give you 7 minus 5, 2, 3 minus 2, 1, x square. Now bring the other two terms down, these two terms, minus 60x plus 36. Now again we will think about the third term. Third step, the terms which are dividing will be 3. First step, 1 term. Second step, 2 terms. Third step, 3 terms will be outside. First 2 terms we will take as it is, like the first term will be coming as it is now, because this one is already added. Now the second and second term will be added up. Okay, second and second term added up to give you second term. Minus 5 and minus 5 will add to give you minus 10x. Okay, once you are writing this one term, now we will do the division of first term by first term again to check the next term. So here 12x square divided by 2x square, and your answer is getting 6. 6 you will write here and 6 you will write in the quotient also. Now this 6 will multiply to the newly developed divisor, 2x square minus 10x plus 6. So it become, whether you write the product directly over here, 6 2s are 12 x square minus 6 10s are 60 x plus 6 6 are 36. Now subtract, minus 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 plus minus, cancel cancel cancel, remainder is 0. So now after doing this one, this is your square root. In the last you can write down the answer, that square root of the given expression. What was your given expression? x4 minus 10x cube plus 37x square minus 60x plus 36 is equals to plus minus of the expression which you find out, x square minus 5x plus 6. So this is your square root of this is equal to this. Your final answer is this much. So let's check the next one more example also in the same way, but a little more faster pace. Okay. Yes, this is the next part. And for the square root, now every time you know that the first term you have to divide into equal factor. Okay. So I'm just explaining in a little faster pace. This will be divided into equal factor. 9 is 3, 3s are 9, and x4 is x square, x square. 1 you will write here and 1 you will write here. Okay. After that, multiply them and you will get 9x4, subtract, and this have to be cancelled. Okay. Bring the next two terms down. As I told you, second step will, you must have two terms. Add them to give you the first term. 3 plus 3, 6, x squared. Don't be confused. When you are making the first term of the divisor, you have to add them. Okay. Now, once they are added, now you are thinking about the second term over here, second term over here. That term you will obtain by dividing the first term by the first term in the working column. So minus 6x cube, don't forget about the sign, 6x square. Minus 6x cancel, x cube and x square, x will be your next answer. minus x here and minus x here. Now this obtained answer will multiply to the complete divisor, that is 6x square minus x. After multiplication, what answer you are obtaining, you can directly write over here also, minus 6 x and x square make x cube, minus minus plus x and x square plus minus, cancel, 7 minus 1 6 x square. Now bring these two terms down. First you take this pair down, now you will bring this pair down, minus 2x plus 1. Exactly in the same way, this term will be taken down as it is. Now there is a turn of the addition of second to second term. Minus x and minus x add to give you minus 2x. Okay. Now think about the third digit. For that one, you have to divide first term by the first term. 6x square over 6x square. So the term is 1. 1 will be multiplied to the complete divisor. Once you set the divisor by writing this new term 1 here, 1 here. Multiply with complete divisor 6x square minus 2x plus 1 and write over here after multiplication minus 2x and plus 1. Subtract. After subtraction, the signs are opposite. This is positive become negative, negative become positive, positive become negative. Cancel, this is cancelling, this is cancelling, so the remainder is 0. Hence, plus minus 3x square minus x plus 1 is the square root of the given expression. So you can write down the answer in this form also. Hopefully you understand all these three parts. So next fourth part also I can explain in the same video. Okay. And yes, this is the next four part. And every time I told you that when you are doing the division or the square root, so first arrange the given polynomial in the proper order of the exponents. So first I want to write this one term first, 16x4, then cubic term minus 24x cube, then square term plus 25x squared, then single term minus 12x, and then constant term plus 4. Okay, now the first term will be 16, 4 fours are 16, x 4 x square x square. I will go little faster pace this time. Okay, if you don't understand anything, go to the first part. So now what we will do, cancelling, bring the pair down, minus 24x cube plus 25x square. In this step, once the first step is completed, now for the second step divisor, you need to add these both to write over here. 4 plus 4, add them, 8 x square. Variable stays same in the addition. So first term divide by the first term, minus 24x cube divided by 8x square. So it become minus 3x. This is your second term for here, second term for here. Okay. After the second term is developed, so minus 3x you will multiply with the complete divisor. And answer directly you can write here. Okay. Minus 3 8s are 24 x square x cube minus minus plus 3 3s are 9 x square. Subtract. When you are subtracting, so sign will be opposite. Okay, this will be cancel, and 25 minus 9 you will get 15. Take a borrow, 15 minus 9 6, and here 1, this one x square. Now bring the next pair down, minus 12x plus 4. In the same way, first term will be kept as it is, 8x square. Now second and second will be added up to give you the second term, minus 3x plus 3x as 6x. Then for the third term, what you will do, divide first term by first term again. Divide first term by first term. Answer is 2. So write down this answer in the quotient and divisor both. Okay. Now this newly developed number, always multiply the complete divisor. 8x square minus 6x plus 2. So product can be directly written over here. 2 8s are 16 x square minus 2 6 are 12 x plus 2 2s are 4. Now subtract. Okay, so the quotient is 0. So hence the given answer is plus minus 4x square minus 3x plus 2 is the required square root. In every part I give the answer in a different way so that each of the answer can be possible, whatever you like. So please, if you like my explanation, subscribe to my channel and share with your family friends and your friends, whoever like the explanation over here, whoever will need this one. Thank you so much. In the next video I will try to find out try to complete the part number 5 also. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.